Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is based on how you can change language on Yandex. In order to change language on Yandex, so then to begin with, open up a web browser and then on the web address bar type in www.id.yandex.com. Make sure that you're already logged into your account. So after you're logged into your account, it's going to direct you to the home page. Right on this page, go ahead and tap on the profile icon in the upper right hand side corner. So from the drop down menu, scroll down a bit and click on settings. Now this is going to take you to the settings page of your go to general settings, which will be located right on top. After that, you can see there's language settings. So here you can just tap on this and then you can change the language accordingly. You're only provided with this following alternative. So you need to select that particular language. For example, this one, click on the save button, and as soon as you've done that, the language will be saved, or here you can see that the language has been saved. And that is basically how you can do it. And if you want to transfer it to English, you can also do it from the Google Translator, or else you have to go to the same page, that is go to settings, and you have to make the changes. So in this way you can make changes with your language on Yandex. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.